President for his visionary global security initiative. This initiative, peace, stability, and cooperation in an increasingly complex world. President Xi's vision and leadership have strengthened not only China, and immensely impressed by how this initiative serves common values. As we look forward to celebrate the 75th anniversary of our diplomatic relations next year, we are reminded that this relationship, a living testimony of a strong friendship between our people. We are ready to work with China, with all other nations to promote understanding and culture and tolerance. Ladies and gentlemen, the fact of the matter that China is the leading country in cultural exchange is also points to the fact that how sensitive the Chinese people are. So thank you everybody, very kind.